Show ya. Show me the call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Gonna be sweet there. Telling me you need me.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing, literally so impressed. Guys, you're gonna want to find out all the details about today's wig and install, so continue watching.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this in.
Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. You know, I love Unice Hair. I've said it so many times. I also work with them over on TikTok. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description for you, so just click a little follow. Post content here as well as over there. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 Jerry Curly with finger coil ends. If you look closely, you'll see that the ends are coiled and it has a little spiral coil. So that's what I have installed. The knots are already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything. Super beginner friendly. Take it out of the box and ready to wear. And she is glueless, babe.
Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it?
First things first, I'm going to spray a little bit of my DIY lace tint spray. You guys know the vibes. Just my band. They do the pre-everything wig so well, wear and go style, whatever you want to call it. Meaning you take it out of the box, you put it on, you just do little 1, 2, 1, 2, and babes. Do you see that? I hope you guys are getting the curls, the finger coil ends. It's like some pieces I'm seeing don't have the finger coil and some pieces do. So in order to get that look when you restyle the wig, you have to actually finger coil it. That's why it's called finger coil curls. So when the hair is wet and you've conditioned it, you're gonna take the ends and you're going to take it and you're gonna like do like this. And you're gonna finger coil it and then twist it around and then let it go. I'm gonna show you with a few spots like in the hair how to get it to look like that. And I'm going to bump it just a little. That's pretty much all you need to do. This is cute. I'm gonna take it the first style. I do want to maintain the fluffiness of it, so let's just work with the curls that we have. I'm trying not to disturb the top portion because that's where it's really styled. When I'm fluffing, I'm kind of trying to go like underneath the curls and just working the curls. You know, it's basically like hand teasing. You can see that the side has already gotten some lift. Same thing, I'm gonna go underneath and then just massage. Like you're giving a scalp massage almost. And then, wow, again, massaging. This is nice. It really comes to life when you fluff it up, so don't be afraid to fluff it up. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually didn't think I would like it as much, but like, no, why am I obsessed? No, who is this baddie? So the more you play with it, the more you're gonna love it. This piece needed to be finger quilled, so let's just re-finger quill it. I'm gonna take this conditioner, see if we can make it do what it do, baby. Then I'm gonna take some of this mousse. Works better if you take like your comb or something and wrap it around. So let's just try that again. So I'm gonna, it's basically like I'm roller setting it. You know what I'm saying? I'm using a makeup brush. There we go. Can you see? So that's gonna take a lot of time. It's much quicker if you just use your fingers. You just gotta figure out what works for you. Let's try that again. work with this section. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, again, finger coiling. It does require some work. This piece looks like it wants to be recoiled. Okay, this will be the final piece that I'm going to do like this. The rest I think is going to be good for now. It works so much better when it's actually saturated. So again, just make sure that it's wet enough. And then once you do the coil, scrunch. Lucky for us, the wig comes already, you know, done up. So babes, we don't have to do anything else. We just wanted to show you guys how to redefine the coils. Slipping where, okay? So cute! Okay, I'm gonna go in with some mousse. Okay, that's how much hair you need on the brush. Too much hair on the brush, it makes it too bouncy and there's not enough tension. When it's short like this compared to, make your brushes shorter, okay? The difference. Do you see the difference? This is what we need. This, too much. It's too bouncy. It's like, it's just not it. Short is the way to go. Is this part even straight? Straight enough. I'm going to do one little ponytail here first, and then do the full half up, half down. Oh, that's hot. It looks so, like, I don't know, it just looks so cute and girly, and it's just a whole vibe. I decided to end the video off with this style, and I think for good reason. I love how it looks. We did a half up, half down. Even though it's a closure wig, you can still do your half up, half down styles. I like to call it big body, where you have almost temple to temple. If you want it to look like a frontal wig, just leave your sideburns out and don't worry so much about what's going on there. If you really want it to look more realistic, just pull some of your own hair out from the underneath there, and it's really gonna blend in, and no one's gonna even notice that that part is not lace. 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely check them out. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you. As I stated earlier, it is one that I would definitely recommend. With that being said, I'm gonna say it is caviarkezzy approved. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.